Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. Reblogging, just like reblogging, guys. The property, the total size or area is for 14 hectares. But before, we initially have 7 hectares. But due to the request of our recent prospective buyer that they need more than 7 hectares, so we consolidated up to 14 hectares. The price is 60 pesos per square meter. 60 pesos ang metro kwadrado. Located in Barangay Montesuerte, Carmen, Bohol, around 1 hour and 30 minutes from Tagbilaran City. Let's say from Panglao also, Panglao Airport, naanap po sa mga same ra, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then Tubigon, Bohol, more or less 1 hour drive. So, seaport of Tubigon, Bohol. May pabor dire, guys. It has so many palm trees, and you can cut these palm trees because right now no more proper market of palm trees. Pwede po bilhin na nimo to give shade or landong ba. So, dili po init. So, the place climate is really different from other place in Bohol because it's really a little bit cold place. So, naanis mga 20 degrees, especially night time, or less than 20 degrees. Kaya makita man nato, guys, mga mountain areas yun. But it is along provincial road. Nearer ni siya from the noon tourist destination, Sea of Clouds. So, pabor man ni, guys, paingon naman ni sa Danau, Bohol. Sea of Clouds. Makita ni mo na sa internet ka ng few minutes drive from Sea of Clouds. Mga dagat sa mga term na basta Sea of Clouds, no. Sa Danau, Bohol na po tong basta daghan kay mga kuha nila sa mga tourist. Diri, guys, na po yung mga foreigners na muyo, mga good neighborhood, daghan balay diri, guys, pero diri nga side na separate yun ni siya. Pero makita ra nato during the time of our site inspection kay nga daghan diri taga Cebu, mga other provinces neighboring like Cebu province. So as for me, this is really a good investment, no. Only few coconut trees, mostly are palm trees jud ang daghan, guys. The rolling terrain yun. Kay gikan sa karsada, nag-downhill siya from the road, provincial road ni, guys, ha, provincial road. Wala pa siya masiminto, pero gamay ra ni kayo nga portion, wala pa masiminto. So, pwede ni mo doon 14 hectares or you can buy the 7 hectares. Kaya mo to initial na mo nga i-consolidate. So, actually, gwapo gid ni siya po. And this is the provincial road, guys, no. Dili pa siya sementado pero ongoing ang iyang concreting. Like this one, ingani ni siya, inini na. So, kita na to, daghan kayo ang neighborhood. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.